some of the pros of being a maid are you can set your own hours, really. You can choose jobs that are daytime if that's what you need, or you can choose jobs that are after hours and clean office buildings. You know, it's really flexible with your schedule and what works for you. That's probably the biggest pro. Also, owning your own company, if that's what you choose to do, owning your own housekeeping company, you're able to take time off when you need to. You're able to go to your children's soccer games and school plays and Christmas plays and things like that. So those are some great things that you're able to do. Also, the satisfaction that you get when, you know, the homeowner comes home and they see their sink sparkling and their vacuum lines in their carpet, and you know, it's just something that is really a nice touch for them. That's really rewarding, and it's an instant gratification, so that's a nice thing as well. Some of the cons of being a maid really are going to be kind of, you know, differ from person to person, but mine would probably be cleaning the toilets. Of course, that's not ever fun. Something that, you know, that I always get in there and I start cleaning, and you know, you notice that the toilet seats are left up, or you know, or they're down, or whatever. That's probably one of the cons. Not a big one. There's really not too much that I can even think of that is con, other than you don't really get to choose what kind of mess you're going to go into. You just walk in and there it is, and you have to kind of, you know, work your way around it the best that you know how. So clients maybe can sometimes be, you know, referred to as a con, if you will. Not so much them, but maybe their expectations and what you are able to do with those. And I have found that really I like to turn those into pros, because if somebody has an expectation and I'm not reaching that expectation, I really, you know, challenge myself to do better and to reach that expectation, and then it turns into a pro, because then you have a very, very grateful client.